Best Murphy Bed 2026. Trying to squeeze a comfortable bed into a tiny room is a massive headache. You want space during the day, but a decent sleep at night. I bought and tested the top 5 Murphy beds and folding sleeper alternatives for 2026, so you don't waste your money. Let's see which one actually delivers.
Product number 1, Inofia Queen Folding Mattress. When I first unboxed the Inofia Queen folding mattress, I was surprised by how thick the 6 inches of memory foam felt. Running my hand over the ultra-soft, removable cover, it didn't feel like a cheap, temporary pad. I threw it on the floor of my spare room and slept on it for 3 nights. The foam actually contoured to my back, and I didn't wake up feeling the hard floor. Folding it up every morning took maybe 10 seconds, making it incredibly easy to stash in the closet when I needed space back. If you need a queen-size sleep setup without a bulky frame, this is a solid pick. It is perfect for frequent house guests. But if you want something that actually looks like living room furniture during the day, you should really take a look at this next piece I tested.
Product number 2, Big C Sofa Bed. Sitting on the Big C sofa bed in its ottoman form, the light gray fabric felt surprisingly durable, like it could handle daily use in a busy apartment. I spent an afternoon cycling through its 4 different modes. Switching it from an ottoman to a convertible chair with the adjustable backrest was incredibly smooth, and the mechanism didn't catch or jam. As a sleeper bed, it is definitely firmer than the pure memory foam pads I tried, but the metal frame felt totally stable underneath me. I didn't feel like I was going to tip over rolling near the edge. It is ideal for small apartments where you absolutely need your guest bed to hide in plain sight as a functional seat. While it is great for one person, sometimes you need a traditional queen-size wooden setup that still hides away entirely. Product number 3. Night and Day Furniture Murphy Cube Bed. The moment I ran my hands over the rustic brown finish and ranchero hardware of the Night and Day Murphy Cube, it just felt like premium, heavy-duty furniture. Setting it up was the real test for me. I was able to pull the front open and unfold the queen bed inside in under a minute without breaking a sweat. Sleeping on it was easily the closest thing to a standard bedroom experience on this list. The mattress inside offers fantastic support, and the solid cabinet base prevented any of that annoying squeaking you usually get with fold-out frames. If you have the budget and want something much lighter and easier to throw in an RV, I have another option. Product number 4, Gem Bed Tri-Folding Mattress Queen Size. Carrying the Gem Bed Tri-Folding mattress was super easy because of the built-in handles, which the first mattress lacked. Grabbing it felt secure, and the non-slip bottom is a really nice touch. I set it up on hardwood floors, and when I tossed and turned during my nap test, the mattress didn't slide away from the wall at all. The 5.5 inches of memory foam provided a comfortable, medium firm feel, and I actually folded one section up to use it as a floor chair while watching TV. It held its shape perfectly without sagging. If you're an RV owner, a frequent camper, or do lots of living room yoga, this is incredibly versatile and stays exactly where you put it. Still, if you just need a slightly smaller, full-size option to save even more space, there is one last bed. Product number 5, Simula Folding Mattress Full Size. When I pressed down on the Simula full-size folding mattress, the 6-inch memory foam bounced back instantly. The breathable cover felt completely cool against my skin, which is a big deal if you tend to sleep hot. I used this as a guest bed during a weekend trip, and it really impressed me. Because it is a full size, it fits much better into tight camper corners or smaller spare bedrooms than the queen versions. I also spilled a little coffee on it during my testing, but the washable cover unzipped easily and came out of the laundry looking brand new. If you need a reliable, compact futon topper or a space-saving full bed that is ridiculously easy to clean, finding the right space-saving bed really comes down to your room size and budget. I've put links to all these products in the description below, so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.